Hello and welcome back to Katie's Business Tips. Glad to be with you. Here to talk to you today about some important things to know as of today when filing your corporate tax return. First of all, you may be reporting the COVID financial programs. We talked about that a bit in the last video. Now remember, there's also provincial programs, so depending what province you're in, there's federal programs, and each one of them has their own rules. And as I said in the last video, if it's income, if it's a forgiveness part of a loan, or if it's a subsidy, you're going to claim it as income, okay? Now, most provincial authorities will help you to determine if you need to look at how much tax you're going to pay. You can work with them, and they will help you determine. But of course, you can also come to us and ask questions, okay? Now, it is your responsibility, regardless of the source, to report these things. So you are responsible for reporting them, okay, on your corporate tax return. Now, the deadlines for business income tax filing and payments amount owing, as of March 2021, there's no extension for filing corporate tax returns anymore, okay? So there was some extensions on penalties and extensions on things. Those were abolished March 2021. You must still file your corporate income tax return within 6 months of the fiscal year end, and you must pay your taxes within 3 months of the year end, okay? If your company incurred a net loss, now remember, you can carry that loss forward, or you can also carry it back up to 3 years. So that's also very important. That has not changed, okay? Now, when it comes to the COVID-19 related expenses, people say, can I claim those on my tax return? As a business, yes. If you had to buy barriers, if you had to buy things for people to sanitize their hands, if you had to buy masks, whatever it is, all those things can be claimed as a business expense in your company, okay? Now, maybe you had to improve ventilation in your place. Yes, that kind of stuff can be written off. Now, employees had to work from home. You most likely did not give them some kind of allowance. Maybe you did, but most likely didn't. They are then allowed to deduct those, but you must give them a T2200 if they want the full amount. If not, they would take the $2 a day. It's not very much. It's kind of peanuts, to be honest with you. But either way, the employees and workers that worked at home, they can claim home office, okay? But if you give them a T2200, they will claim a lot more than they would have been able to claim, and they will be much happier. But remember, any COVID-related expenses are deductible in your business. If you have any questions for us, we'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.